Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick one, but a very exciting one and hopefully inspiring. So you guys, you know that Rae Dunn is all the rave right now. Everybody wants the mugs, everybody wants the bowls. So I thought, why not create some Rae Dunn inspired paper ornament embellishments. I know that a lot of people have been creating the Rae Dunn inspired ornaments using the Dollar Tree clear balls, I think it is. Yeah, it's the clear ones. But I didn't want to do that. I wanted to use paper, and I wanted to use my ornament dies that I received from AliExpress, and I thought it was such a great idea. Now, you guys, I don't have like the Rae Dunn font or the stickers, so I kind of went off what I saw on Pinterest, and I still am extremely happy with the way it turned out. I absolutely love them. I think they're so cute. I love the fact that this little ornament pack has a variety of sizes that you can make, and of course you can always Google on Pinterest, you know, and not Google on Pinterest, go on Pinterest and just look at the words that they have, and you can just put whatever you want. You can have all types of stuff written on your little Rae Dunn ornaments, but these are the sizes that you get. This is the largest one, which I do have a cutout of that one, and this is what it looks like. And then we have like the medium size. But yeah, you guys, you can use your little ornament dies if you have them. If not, I'm pretty sure you can use like a circle die and then kind of make a little punch within a punch. You guys know that we're crafters and we make it work. So the little bowls that I used were these bowls that I had gotten on AliExpress as well. It was like a whole pack of like 500 for like $3. I think you guys remember that I hauled this. So I picked out a few of the red ones and I just hot glued them to the top of the little ornament. As for the words, I wrote them with this Sharpie permanent marker, and it's an extra fine point. Let's see if it focuses. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. And you guys, it's so easy. I'm going to show you each and every one of them. The letters are not perfect, but I am happy with them. Look at that. This one says peace. Then we have this one that says believe. And this is like super cute if you like put in a little bag and send it to a pen pal, just like one of each size. Hope. And they can use it as embellishments on their projects. I did ink the edges a little bit just to have that little shadow. This one says joy. We have the little tiny one. This one says nice. And then we have this one that says love. But yeah, you guys, they're super easy, and you can choose to make the ones with the clear balls from Dollar Tree, but I chose to make these because I wanted to put them in a little bag, and then you can send them away to a friend. And I thought it was just more, I don't know, just something that I wanted to do. So yeah, you guys, I still want to make some more of these big ones. I'm probably going to put naughty and maybe like, I don't know, something else. The word Christmas or something like that, hot cocoa, on the two bigger ones. And I'm not going to do that on camera because when I'm writing, it takes me like forever to get the word right. So I'm not going to do that, but you guys get the idea. This is a super quick, easy video just to show you guys these super cute little Rae Dunn inspired ornaments. Definitely try them out. Let me know down below if you're going to try them out. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.